Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cutie Pie 88 and today I wanted to come and show you guys some highlighted clip-ins that I am going to install. These are two sets of the brown blonde highlighted clip-ins from True and Pure Texture. All the information on these clip-ins will be down below, but let's go ahead and get right into it. The summer is coming and I just wanted to try some color, and also the beautiful thing about these clip-ins is that I don't have to use so much heat on my hair for it to blend. Especially if you have blown out natural hair, this texture will be even more perfect for you. As you know, I am relaxed, so my hair is on the straighter side, but the beauty about these clip-ins as well, you can really silk press these out to help it match relaxed hair textures as well. As you can see, I really didn't silk press these out to how smooth they can get, but that's because I kind of wanted that textured look. So as y'all see, I am literally halfway done with my head, so it'll be a quick video, but I did want to install a few brown clip-ins near the top just to make sure that my hair color kind of blends better and kind of gives an kind of highlight, piano highlight effect with the clip-ins. So as you can see here, I am pressing these small ones just a little bit since my hair will be more closer, like laid on top of these a little bit more. So I silked those out a little bit, but as y'all can see, look at this beautiful highlighted kind of piano highlights. I kind of love the randomness of it. Of course, I could have spread out like the dark clip-ins a little bit more, but I think this color combination is absolutely fire. You guys, these clip-ins are hand colored. They're colored by hand, so the variation of the color will be different with every kind of batch of clip-ins, but I think that's the beautiful part of it. I am kind of going over it just a little bit, and you guys, this method right here, I left out kind of like the front perimeter of my hair because I really didn't want to put a lot of heat on my leave out. Maybe just a little bit, but I kind of didn't want just a middle part, just the side part. I wanted to be able to kind of do a versatile look, and leaving my leave out this way, it allows me to shift the part from left to right to middle as I want to, but predominantly I'm going to wear it like tucked behind my ears. That's kind of like the feel, the vibe I was feeling, because I didn't want to like have to keep curling my leave out. So the ear tuck will be real with this style. But I feel like it's so pretty, so perfect for the summertime. I just love this color. Just this pop of color is so pretty. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm shifting it from the middle part to a side part, and no tracks are showing, no wefts are showing. You do want to make sure you leave out enough to kind of brush the hair backwards to cover those the clip-in wefts at the top of your head, but I feel like I left out just enough, and it's so cute. Like, I'm ready to go run a quick errand. I just wanted like a pop of color. Now I am gonna slightly put some curls in the hair, really more like waves, using my T3 1 pass iron. If you guys are interested in this curling iron, this is one of the best curling irons I have ever used. It literally is a single pass. Like, I love it. But because the hair is on the thicker side and I didn't have the heat all the way up and I didn't leave the heat too long on my hair, it kind of created more like waves when I comb the curls out. I feel like if you really silk press this hair and then curled it, the curl will hold just a little bit longer. But since it's very dense and very heavy and it's not silk pressed, you know, it's going to fall into like a really gentle wave, but it's so pretty. And even though it was just waves, it lasted a long time. But of course, you can have it last even longer with just a little bit of holding spray. So I'm going to take one of my favorite edge tamers. This is an Eben 24-hour edge tamer, and just play with my edges a little bit. Nothing too serious, but it does make the look come together even more. And I am done. Like, isn't it super cute? Super easy. It's giving versatile sew-in, but with clip-ins. It's so simple and easy. And like I said, I did use actually about a set and a half for this look, but the clip-ins are so thick. You get so much value for your money and longevity. Like, look at this color. It is so pretty, and I don't have any lace on my head, nothing that's going to make my forehead sweat, no lace I have to worry about, anything like that. And like I said, it's truly versatile, so you can put it in a low ponytail, or you can actually put it like in a claw clip style. I'm going to show you that. I wish I had an actual claw clip that I could actually show you guys, but I didn't have one handy. But this is like how it would look, and it's so cute. And as y'all saw at the beginning, there was no braiding involved, no braiding involved at all. So that's what made this install super, super quick. So I am in love with all these clip-ins from True and Pure Texture, whether it be the colored ones or the natural color ones. If y'all are interested, link will be down below in the description, as well as more information. Be sure to follow me on all social media channels and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and drop a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time. Bye.